If you're building a home lab, a media server, or a virtualized server system, two names always stand out: Proxmox and Unraid. But which one is actually better for you? In this video, I'll break down both platforms head to head, so by the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your needs. Let's get into it. When it comes to Proxmox, think of it as a professional grade virtualization platform. And it's a free and open source hypervisor that combines two powerful technologies: KVM for full virtual machines and LXC for lightweight Linux containers. That means you can run everything from Windows servers to Linux containers efficiently on one machine. Proxmox is packed with powerful features like high availability clustering, which allows you to connect multiple servers and keep your virtual machines running even if one system fails. It also includes built-in backup and restore tools, letting you schedule backups to local or network storage without needing third-party software. And even though it's advanced, it still has a clean web-based interface that makes managing virtual machines, networking, and storage surprisingly simple. Pros of Proxmox: free and open source. Excellent for virtualization and container management, enterprise-grade clustering and backup support. Strong community and documentation. Cons of Proxmox: slightly steeper learning curve for beginners. Best features: shine in multi-server or advanced setups. No native NAS-like features out of the box. Now let's talk about Unraid. While Proxmox is more virtualization focused, Unraid is built around storage flexibility first and virtualization second. It's a paid operating system designed to help you build your own NAS, media server, or home lab, even with mismatched hard drives. One of its biggest strengths is flexible storage management. Unlike RAID, Unraid allows you to mix different drive sizes and add storage anytime without losing data. It also uses parity protection, so even if a drive fails, your data stays safe. But here's the fun part: Unraid also supports Docker containers and virtual machines, making it super easy to host apps like Plex, Nextcloud, Home Assistant, or even Windows. Pros of Unraid: best-in-class storage flexibility, very beginner-friendly. Interface: excellent Docker and home server application support, great for media servers and personal cloud setups. Cons of Unraid: not free, requires a paid license, limited clustering or enterprise features. Slower VM performance compared to Proxmox in some cases. So which one is better? Here's the simple answer: it depends on your goal. If your focus is serious virtualization, running multiple powerful VMs, testing enterprise setups, or building a scalable lab, then Proxmox is hands down the best choice. It's powerful, stable, free, and great for advanced users. But if your goal is a flexible home server where you want to store files, stream movies on Plex, run Docker apps, and mix different drive sizes, then Unraid is absolutely perfect. It's easy to use and built for personal productivity and storage. Choose Proxmox for performance and virtualization power. Choose Unraid for storage convenience and home server simplicity. Thanks for watching.